The 992 IPD Turbo Plenum delivers substantial power and torque gains by replacing the factory plastic T intake distributor with our patented cast aluminum Y design plenum. This superior design separates and channels intake airflow, reducing air turbulence while increasing air velocity and optimizing overall laminar flow. This proven engine upgrade produces an impressive 35 plus wheel horsepower and 30 plus wheel torque, while dramatically improving boost response, allowing you to enjoy the performance gains earlier and with a more linear power delivery. And being a product of efficiency, net gains are realized across both power curves all the way from launch to redline. The 992 Plenum utilizes the factory's 74mm throttle body and is guaranteed to elevate the already visceral turbo driving experience to the next level with both stock and highly modified turbos. As always, IPD products are a bolt-on engine upgrade that comes with our industry-leading 100% money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied. So if you're looking to raise the potential of your turbo, look no further than the 992 IPD Turbo Plenum.